Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian news and entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news, gist and celebrity gossip happening around. If you're a first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. So happening today, Korede Bello speaks on a secret romance with Iyabo Ojo's daughter Priscilla. Nigerian singer Korede Bello made an attempt to get fans talking about him by featuring Iyabo Ojo's daughter, Priscilla, for a romantic scene in one of the videos for a song, and his plans worked out very well. After the video was released, fans could not stop talking about his romance with Priscilla in the video, which further led to the speculation that they are having a romantic link in reality. In a recent interview with Punch, Korede Bello, who was born on February 29, has addressed speculation that followed his romance with Priscilla after he featured her in the video for a song, Mr. Vendor. He also revealed that the only quality he desires in a potential partner is a lady who has a strong connection with her God, herself, and him. In his words, the only quality that truly matters is a strong connection, a connection with God, herself, and me. Every other thing doesn't really matter. Besides, a dream woman will always be a dream. I want a real woman. Speaking about his birthday, I must confess it does make me feel special. I have to feel like I'm getting older every year. It is truly special to anticipate something for 4 years. It teaches one a lot about patience and reward. All the birthdays I have been, all the birthday I have had have been memorable because I had 4 years to plan for them. On the accusation of being a woman rapper and a secret romance with Iyabo Ojo's daughter, Priscilla, the Godwin crooner, said, "People see me as a womanizer. I don't even know what that word means anymore. I guess when one attracts a lot of female attention and love, they call one a womanizer. As for my rumored relationship with Priscilla, she would be in a better position to respond to that." Responding to a question on whether he would be getting married soon, the artist said, "Wedding bells are always sounding every Saturday. Perhaps you have not been paying attention. I even try to put bells in my songs because my name is Bello. If you listen closely to the song Sumo Me, you will hear wedding bells, hints of a potential wedding." On the belief that he has yet to live up to expectations career-wise, Korede Bello said, "I don't react to issues. I would rather respond. As for this question, I will let my music answer it." So guys, drop your comments in the section below.